In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this radial city scene in 3 minutes. Let's use a wall factory. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. We need to tweak the settings. Please try to match my setting, but feel free to test on your own as well. If we tweak the depth variance, the radial city will appear. I'll show you what other settings do. Shift-D to duplicate, and S to scale. We need to move the bigger plane a bit lower than the smaller one. I'll add plain colors. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.